Hola everyone! Before I let you know my name, let me give you a saying. Don't worry about being successful, but work toward being significant, and success will naturally follow.
I am Cristobal Dibunton Jr., 21 years of age, and I live in Sikaya, Bukana, Dapitan City, a BS Entrepreneurship student of JRMCU Main Campus. For this video, I want to share to you a documentation about a business under agricultural industry. And unfortunately, here in Sikaya, Bukana, Dapitan City, I've never found one agricultural business. And so, I go to next barangay, which is the Liyang, Dapitan City. So, let's begin. Because we have a COVID-19 now, we're facing a pandemic, I will going to use a face mask for our protocol and in interviewing the poultry caretaker so that we can have a safety interview. So let's begin our documentation. Let's go.
Winnie Boston is the owner of the only one poultry here in Liyang, Dapitan City. Winnie Boston is a former teacher and he stopped because he wanted to have a business. The poultry started on January 2019. The poultry started with 500 chicken and those chicken are from Tarlac and it costs 500 each chicken. And now if they want to have a new chicken, they are going to order and get a chicken from Bukidnon. The feeding time are 6 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. so that they feed 25 kilo of feeds per day and it costs 650 pesos. The schedule of cleaning the ordure or dung of a chicken is once a week, and he gave it to the fish pond owner for free, but in return, the fish pond owner gave him a vegetable and fish. The poultry have also a chicken expert to check the health of the chicken. The poultry produces 10 tray of eggs a day and it has 3 sizes, the medium, large, and extra large. The medium costs 170, large 180, and extra large 190 per tray. And they deliver it to the Polo City, but most of the time, the sari-sari store near here in poultry will come and buy, most especially sari-sari store located in Larayan, Liyang, and Sikaya, Bukana, Dapitan City. The poultry also sell a kal or a old chicken for about 130 to 150 pesos, and the average monthly profit is 30,000.